Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. After years of rumors, the iPhone SE2 might almost be at your doorstep, with a new report claiming it will probably be announced in March. That's according to a source who's apparently familiar with Apple's roadmap. Additionally, multiple people who are familiar with the plan said that Apple's supplier planned to begin assembling the iPhone SE2 in February. Still, we would take these claims with a pinch of salt, but they line up with previous rumors which pointed to an early 2020 launch for the phone. As for what the iPhone SE2 will offer, Bloomberg claims that it will have a 4.7-inch screen and a design that's similar to the iPhone 8, complete with a physical home button housing a Touch ID sensor. The iPhone SE2 is likely to offer Face ID, but it will apparently have the same A13 Bionic chipset as the iPhone 11, so it should be pretty powerful. Perhaps the most important factor will be its price tag, and if rumors are to be true, it could be impressively cheap, with one fairly recent report suggesting it will start at around $399. That would put it at around the same price as what the original iPhone SE launched for, and less than the current $449 price of the iPhone 8. So if you are in the market for a small, relatively cheap iPhone, the iPhone SE2 could be the handset you have been waiting for. Apple is reportedly working on two separate designs as it ramps up preparation for the 5G iPhone later this year. The company is widely expected to use Qualcomm modems to offer fast wireless connectivity, but it is now being reported that Apple may not use Qualcomm's QTM 525mm wave antenna, as it does not fit into the slim design of the upcoming iPhones. According to the reports, Apple feels that the new iPhone's industrial design may not have enough space for Qualcomm's antenna, and is instead working on a couple of design variants right now, with one using the both X55 modem and Qualcomm's antenna, causing a slightly thicker build, alongside another thinner design that uses Apple's in-house antenna. Qualcomm's modems currently power most flagship 5G phones available today, including the recently launched Samsung Galaxy S20 series. Making its own custom antenna makes sense for Apple because not only it would allow the company to make slimmer phones as per its plan, but it will also be saved from paying extra to Qualcomm in form of royalties for using their technology. Apple has also tried collaborating with Intel for 5G chipsets. However, after it was unable to ensure timely delivery, the chip giant bowed out and later sold its entire modem business to Apple. This acquisition has given Apple a lot of expertise, and ever since then, the company has invested a lot of resources in building its own 5G modem. This chipset may not be fully ready as yet, that's why the company is still relying on Qualcomm for the time being. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.